When people see someone move to Canada, they think life suddenly becomes easy. Better pay, better lifestyle, more respect. But here's the truth nobody talks about. When you move abroad, your confidence gets tested like never before. You go from being someone in your home country to feeling like a new no one in a completely new place. Back home in Pakistan, I had built a name for myself. I had a solid career in banking. People respected my work, and honestly, I was proud of where I stood. I had authority, reputation, and recognition. You know that feeling when you walk into the office and everybody knows exactly who you are? I had that. And then I landed in Canada, and all of that disappeared overnight. Here, nobody knew me. Nobody cared about my titles, my experience, or whatever I've achieved in Pakistan. I was just another newcomer with a new resume, hoping for a chance. That's when I realized moving to Canada doesn't challenge your skills, it challenges your entire identity. Because when you start from zero, it's not about finding a job, it's about rebuilding your self worth. You go from people calling you sir to standing in long lines and applying online like everybody else. From leading teams to being the new guy who doesn't even know how the system works. It took me months to land my first job in Canada. Months of applying, following up, and getting no responses. I thought I had people that would help me. I had connections, acquaintances, and even friends who were already settled here, and I genuinely believed that they'd guide me, maybe refer me, or at least help me get an interview. But in reality, no one helped. Not a single person got me a single job interview. Both my jobs. The first job that I had was part time as a brand rep at a clothing store, and my current one at Canada's largest bank. Both of them I got entirely on my own through online applications. No references, no shortcuts, just consistency and humility. And that's something every newcomer needs to hear. Do not have unrealistic expectations from anyone. Help rarely comes the way that you imagine it. You have to make things happen for yourself. When I finally got that part time job, it was minimum wage and also seasonal. It was far away from glamorous or glorious. From wearing suits, approving loans, approving investments, to folding clothes and greeting customers in a retail store. That was a huge hit to my ego. But you know what? That job taught me more about humility and survival than any other corporate title ever did. So, my advice for you lose the attitude and grab whatever opportunity comes your way. In fact, be thankful for it. Every shift, every small job, every interaction builds your confidence right back up. That clothing store job was my turning point. It kept me active, taught me the Canadian work culture. It helped me improve my language and my communication. And within a few months, I landed a role at Canada's top bank. In fact, I even got promoted in just 2 months. And that's when I realized confidence isn't about where you start, it's about how you adapt and move forward. And let me be brutally honest with you a lot of immigrants lose confidence because when they compare their peak back home with their beginning here, you have to unlearn that mindset. Back home, your worth was defined by your title. Here, it's defined by your consistency and your ability to learn fast. And another thing, don't fall into the lifestyle trap. I see so many newcomers taking cars on loans, buying new phones, new furniture just to look more settled. I never did that. I always take public transit whenever I go to the gym, for groceries, or anywhere. And I'm proud of it. I won't buy a car until I can afford it comfortably. There's no shame in being practical. Living on loan will never make you successful, rather, it's going to make you more stressed. So you need to spend wisely. The groceries that you buy from Walmart will cost you much less than what you buy from Savon or any other place. So learn the system, find deals, and manage your money smartly. In Canada, every dollar counts, especially in your first years. Here's another thing which is practical and nobody tells you. Before you chase your jobs, get your documentation in order. Your work permit, your PR card, your driver's license, your SIN number, or even your health card. Have all of that ready and up to date. I made sure mine was done immediately. These things matter more than you think. If your paperwork isn't in order, you can't work, you can't apply, and you will lose valuable time. So make this your top priority as soon as you land, because your house needs to be in order first. So here's the part that hits emotionally. Canada will humble you, but it will also rebuild you into somebody that's stronger. Back home, confidence came from recognition. Here, confidence comes from resilience. Back home, success was loud and blatant. Here, success is quiet, it's humble. It's how you show up every single day when there's nobody rooting for you and there's nobody clapping for you. There were days when I questioned if I made the right decision. Every rejection, every slow week, every long commute, it taught me patience. Because the truth is, this country won't hand you respect. You need to earn it. But once you do that, it's real. It's not based on who you know, it's based on what you do. That's the most beautiful thing about this country. Everything and everyone starts from the very same line. And one last thing to tell you, when you rebuild your confidence abroad, it's permanent. It's no longer tied to a status symbol or having a high salary. It's built on your ability to survive, learn, and adapt. So if you've just moved here, stop stressing about fancy things. Stop expecting people to save you. Stop comparing yourself to others. Keep your head down, keep working, keep learning. Your journey might start with a minimum wage job, and that is perfectly fine. What matters is that you start. Because once you start, opportunities will follow. And one day, you look back and realize starting from zero wasn't a setback. It was perhaps the biggest blessing because it stripped away your ego. It built your confidence from ground up. So, yeah, I did start from zero in Canada, but that zero became my strong foundation. Because when you build yourself again with humility, honesty, and hard work, the confidence you gain from that, nobody can ever take that away from you. So thank you for watching, and I want to hear your story as well. Feel free to comment. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.